I hope you all are doing really good. This is Falguni and I'm here to do your no contact reading. This is for the month of October. And of course, this is for the sun, moon, and rising Leo. Please check your placements before watching the readings. Also, the readings will not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates with you and leave the rest, okay? And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you may contact me on my email address given in the description box below. So, let's move ahead and check your partner's feelings towards you, the person you are in no contact with. Let's see what are their feelings and intentions towards you, Leo. Let's find out their feelings and intentions towards you, Leo. So they are feeling that they are ready to share themselves with you, their riches, their skills, their care, their love, their nurture, their behavior, their all the good things. They are ready to share that with you. They feel this is the right time. Okay, they are now ready. I mean, this is what their feeling is. Like they don't want to invest in any sort of any other relation. They want to see that with you. They are able to see themselves as stable, who can provide for, who can contribute to the relationship, bring in reciprocity to the relationship. That is what they feel for you, and they want to do all that with you. So very good energy again. Let's clarify that further, Leo. Let's clarify that further, Leo. Okay, so they want to like come towards you. The Chariot card is there. You want to move things forward with you. Like I just told you, they are ready to share their everything. Whatever they have in life, they are ready to share that with you. In terms of a relationship, they are ready to come forward and bring in that stability, the reciprocity, whatever is required. And they want to build a home with you. But they don't want to enter into any conflicts. They want to minus the conflicts. They don't want to enter into any sorts of conflicts with you. They see that there is a lot of competition also around you. There are a lot of options and they have to like compete with all of them to win you. That is also the feel. But they want to be that person who gets chosen. I'm getting that feeling. They want to be that person who gets chosen, and for that, they're coming towards you with that commitment, with that offer. They're ready to offer it all to you. Very beautiful feeling, I would say. Let's see what are their actions if they are willing to take any towards you. Let's see if there are any actions that they're willing to take towards you, Leo. What are the actions that they're willing to take towards you, if any? Let's find out what are the actions that they're willing to take towards you, if any. So they are basically exhausted right now. I don't see them taking any actions. This is 9 of Wands. They're very exhausted, very hurt with the situation. So they're not ready to, they're not in a good place to take any action as of now. They're learning from their experiences. Whatever has happened between you two, they are learning from that. Big time, and heavily exhausted, mentally disturbed. Okay. And in a way a lot of sorrow is also surrounding them at the moment, not ready or in a good place to take any action as of now. They want to, and they have deep feelings for you. They want to give you a commitment and everything, but they're exhausted. Let's clarify the exhaustion. Like I just told you, they're exhausted with the love. They're very overwhelmed with the love that they have towards you. Very beautiful cards. They're overwhelmed with the love that they have towards you. You bring in their happiness. The Sun card is there, the Ace of Cups, the Six of Cups. What else do you need? It's amazing. So they see you as your happiness. You both have a really good time ahead. I mean, they do want that at least with you. They have a lot of emotions for you, and they also miss you a lot. They have a lot of beautiful memories with you. And because of all this, they are heavily overwhelmed. They want to make it work, but they are not able to find the correct path to go towards you. They are looking for that direction. They're looking for that sign so that they can come towards you. They're looking for that one final confirmation to come towards you. Heavily overwhelmed, and because of which they feel exhausted. Let us see what are your feelings towards your person. Leo, what are your feelings towards your person with whom you are in no contact with? Let's see what are your feelings towards this person. You want some sort of transformation in this situation. That is what you feel. There have been certain things in the past which you were not satisfied with, and that's why you are kind of rejecting them. You feel that they did not meet the standards. You have certain expectations of out of the relationship. You want things to be a certain way, maybe, and that's the reason you want certain transformation. You want that person to bring all of that into the table. I mean, you want them to come that far. That is the transformation you're expecting. Still, let's clarify the transformation here. What is the transformation here about? Let's see. What is the transformation here about? Let's find out what is the transformation here about. What is the transformation here about? What is the transformation here about? Okay, so you are looking for a transformation, that is, you want them to come towards you, offer you the future, and bring in calm or peace into your relationship. Okay, for some, I also feel that you are ready to move on from this person. You are no longer interested in them. That is for a few of them that I feel. You're no longer interested in them because they took a long time to come to you, and now you want to move away from this person and explore your other options that you have. You're ready to build your future with someone else. At the same time, this person, for most of you, the transformation that you expect in this relationship is that you want this person to bring calmness to you, bring that stability to you, bring make your relationship official. That is what you want. You want a future with this person. You want them to bring it to you immediately. You have been waiting for a long time now. You can't wait anymore. That is the transformation you expect. Okay, now let's see what is the guidance for you in this situation, Leo. What is the guidance for you in this situation, Leo? What is the guidance for you in this situation, Leo? I believe that this is someone whom you have known for a long time now, and it is possible that you also have a friendly dynamic with them, maybe. I don't know. They're a childhood friend or something. You've known them for a long time. You've already told them about your feelings or something. This is also possible for some. Okay. But this person took their time to come. Okay. Anyhow, this is for some of you. And you need to take it how it resonates with you. The roles can also be reversed. Be aware of that. Okay, let's see what is the guidance for you in this situation. So, guidance for you is do not stress it out. There is no need for you to stress about anything. Relax. You don't have to feel that inferior. Don't compare yourself with anyone. You feel that this person has options and they are comparing, or you are comparing yourself to others. You want to get chosen and things like that. You don't have to stress it out. Relax. Give your best. The 100%. Things will work out in your favor. Okay. If this person is not meant to be for you, I'm sure there is someone out there who will bring in that reciprocity and love into your life. So don't worry about anything at all. Okay, clearly communicate with this person and let them know whatever you feel. Also, okay, so the stress you have right now is, see, the comparison card came out. Your person feels they are being compared, they want to get chosen, and things like that. Someone wants to get chosen, and someone, it is also possible for few of you that you both are comparing each other with each other. I mean, you are comparing yourself to your person, or your person is doing that to you, and one of them is feeling inferior to the other. You have certain complex, so that is stressing you out. Now you need to heal from the situation that is needed. You have been waiting for a long time. That's why you're stressing out. You're waiting for them to come around. That's why you're stressing yourself out. Okay. And on the one hand, you also feel that this is long overdue, and you're waiting for them to come around so that you can give them an earful. For some of you, you will be very harsh on them. Try not to be. That's why again you're stressing yourself out, because you are full of a lot of thoughts, a lot of things that you have been bottling yourself with, and now you just cannot wait to bash this person. Don't do that. This person is already exhausted. So relax, take your time, don't stress it out. Alright, Leo, so that was your reading. I hope you enjoyed this reading. I will see you soon in my next reading. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and stay blessed. Thank you. Namaste.